Have you ever wanted to manifest your desires quickly and effectively? In this video, I will share with you some powerful techniques to manifest fast. The first step is to clarify what you want to manifest in your life. Be specific about your goals and visualize them as if they have already happened. Next, set your intentions and believe that what you desire is already on its way to you. It's important to cultivate a positive mindset and let go of any limiting beliefs. Practice gratitude for what you already have and stay in a positive vibration. Take inspired action towards your goals and stay committed to your manifestation process. Surround yourself with positive energy and support from like-minded individuals. Trust the universe and surrender control, knowing that your desires will manifest at the perfect time. Use affirmations and positive self-talk to reinforce your belief in the manifestation process.